guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the pink Saviland Polygel kit. This is a cat eye polygel kit. What you get in this kit, first we see some dual forms here, paper nail forms, the instructions, and when we first open this kit, this is everything we see. Unfortunately, I do see that we have a spill here, some polygel, glitter polygel right here. We also have the cat eye magnet right here. Good thing this had a covering on it, so at least it didn't like contaminate the papers or anything. Highlight white polygel, which is actually really pretty, so I'm kind of sad. Ooh, that's a lot. I didn't even know there was that much sunken in there. So we got some base coat and top coat, a 100 and 180 grit hand file, polygel brush, slip solution, and we got the polygels here. First color we have is wine red. This is a cat eye polygel. Glitter pink. We have wine red again, glitter red, clear. Never mind, this one's not clear. It's like a light pink. Highlight white. This is the one that had that spill. Like, look. Oh my gosh. And the last color is silvery. This is another cat eye polygel. So here are all the swatches side by side. I am really loving this pink color. Well, it's called glitter red, but it's a hot pink glitter and it's so beautiful. But today we're going to be using wine red, which is one of the cat eye polygels, and I'm going to be doing this nail set on my mom.
Hello, today we're doing our mom's
5-week-old polygel nails.
Yeah, and we're going to do a fill-in, so we're gonna push back the cuticle.
She's a hardworking woman, and these nails lasted 5 weeks. Look at that growth. Yeah, just shoving those cuticles back in the finger.
Make sure to not hurt yourself or the person you're doing. And then after this, we're gonna cut down the cuticle.
Snip, snip, snip.
And then we're gonna file down the nail with a coarse drill bit.
Make it thin.
So you think I'm skinny. And then, yeah, we're just gonna get as close as the nail as possible.
But not actually on the natural nail because we don't want any damage on it. But it's to make it thin so, you know,
Put the new layer on.
So we can put the new layer on without like too thickness.
And without actually removing the nail, because that takes a long process as well. Oh yeah, I'm Katsitas.
And I'm Spice.
We're doing a voiceover because
it was requested, and I think we're both nervous, so sorry.
And also because if you didn't know, Nails by Vic got her wisdom teeth removed. Okay, and now we're gonna go down to a fine drill bit to
Sanding band.
Oh, sanding band.
Fine sanding.
A fine sanding band.
You know, fine sand it.
So we can get as close as the nail as possible.
Without damage. And now we're just cleaning off the dust. Man, this is going kind of fast.
With isopropyl alcohol.
You know, clean workspace, clean space, happy space.
To apply a new layer of polygel. Oh, we're doing the Saviland pink cat eye polygel today.
Did we mention that?
I did.
Okay.
Oh.
Ooh, this is some young nail primer. We're just putting on the growth, you know, make the nails last super long, another 5 weeks. 10 weeks in total. And then now we're just gonna put some base coat, you know,
Make sure you get the whole nail.
And now we're squishing out some
slip solution, and then we're using the pink cat eye polygel from Saviland.
It's called wine red.
Oh,
I mean wine red. Jeez, colorblind cat. And we're just patting it, you know, gently smoothing it around. It looks pretty fun to pat around. And you see that sparkle in there? Some good sparkle.
We're doing the one bead method because they're shorter nails, so you don't really need an apex. Yeah, she always applies too much polygel because she's used to doing long nails, but it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, we're just, you know, smoothing out all the edges because, oh, and this is a magnet. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. it I don't know, does that line thing. Because it's cat eye, you know, with magnets. And yeah, we're just putting more polygel on these nails.
We're gonna do that for the rest of the nails.
Yeah, 10 times. Yeah, the more smoothing out that you do now, the less filing. So always remember, clean application, less work for you later. Oh, look at that magnet thing.
Did you mention that these were for mom's work nails?
No, but you can.
No? Okay, yeah. We're doing this color because it's for our mom to go to work with and stuff, and her work kind of doesn't allow some colors. So that's why we're doing this color.
Yeah.
Yeah, after she applies each nail, the polygel onto the nail, she makes sure to cure it.
Yeah, if you don't cure it, it'll glob up, you know? And make sure you do the magnet before you cure, you know, your magnet design.
Yeah.
Can you put other designs on it, or is it just straight line?
You can do other designs. It's
Harder.
yeah. But
This is so cool. Pat, 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 pat.
okay, now we're gonna file with our nail file.
100 grit? 100 grit file. How long do you keep the magnet on? And quick tip, you should hold the magnet on top of the uncured nail for like 30 seconds, you know, until probably you see the design start to form, and then you can cure it.
Now I'm just filing all the nails so that they can be nice and smooth and yummy.
And shaped.
I'm getting as close as the cuticle as possible.
Yeah, we don't want Grunkle Stan nails.
Oh, and make sure you wipe down the sticky layer on the nail before you start filing.
And if you're intrigued by this kit, because who wouldn't be? Look at that design with the magnet, so cool.
Make sure you go check the description.
Links down below.
Oh yeah, and I'm using my
Dust collector.
when I'm filing so that the dust doesn't go in the air.
And now we're buffing the nails with our buffer, our fine grit drill bit. It looks like she kind of over filed the nails, but because you can kind of see the old nail peeking through, but I mean, hey, you make mistakes so you can learn from them.
Anyway, I'm gonna buff all the nails down and then
Yee. Now we're gonna dust them off, get all that excess dust out of there. And now, top coat. Oh my god, we're almost done here.
look at that nail design coming through.
Look at those glitter bits. Ooh la la.
Stunning nail set for a stunning woman.
I know, that's right. And don't you want to be a stunning woman or man, you know?
Cuticle oil.
Oh yeah, don't forget cuticle oil, the most important part.
Cha-chan! final
Ta-da.
product.
Look
Ooh.
at those hand postures. Ooh, look at those nails. Ooh.
Don't forget your cuticle oil, okay?
Say everything in the description.
Everything you need to know about everything is in the description. I guess that's us peacing out because the vid's over, so bye.
Bye-bye.